Welcome to my cooking channel, Wells Quick Tips and Tricks. Sogli तुम्ही बोरी आसतली म्हणून मानता साऊद आणि बलायकेन, and today I'm going to show you all Yorkshire pudding. And so it was been recommended for me to make this by many of my English friends, but I never got a chance. So first thing, I will show you step by step what we need. Like in UK you get all purpose flour, you get self-rising flour, but in India you get, but we try to make of our own, so that I will show you all. And if not, you can check on my YouTube, it's already there, but today also I will show you all. Now this is the tray what you need for Yorkshire pudding. It's like muffin tray, so it's 12. Now first thing, we have to preheat our oven on a high, like 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Then we have to boiling hot this oil has to be, so we have to add at least 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoon of oil in this normal oil. So we'll add oil to this now. So fill the tray of this with oil. It needs oil actually. So now we'll put this inside. And let it get hot for 20 minutes. So for Yorkshire pudding you need that is all purpose flour, yeah, self-rising flour, 4 eggs. Okay, 4 eggs. Then this is my measurement of flour, 1 cup and 1/4 cup I am going to use flour. And this one milk I'll be adding 1 cup. So, and salt to taste. So it's up to you. 4 eggs, 5 eggs, 3 eggs. So I'm going to make out of 4 eggs, which is already there. So first thing we will do our self-rising flour or all-purpose flour. So we'll take first flour. So this is 1 cup and 1/4. Now what we add into this is salt, 1 teaspoon, small teaspoon. Then we need baking powder. This is like 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of, so this is 1/2 teaspoon, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. That's it. So this is what our self-rising flour. Mix this all together and keep aside. Now let's break the eggs into this. To this I am adding a cinnamon powder, a dash of cinnamon powder to this, but it's your choice. We will add our milk to this. And milk has to be room temperature. Don't use it from the fridge, otherwise you will get the egg smell. So 1 cup of milk. That's it. Now we have to give mix and mix. Mix this to a smooth batter. That's it. Then we have to bake this in the sizzling. We have to pour this batter in the sizzling hot tray, the batter one by one, and then you bake this for 25 minutes on 200 degrees. So if it is in India or in Goa, this batter we call like pancake. But it is nice name, Yorkshire pudding. It tastes nice also. I already made and ate it. So that's why I felt like sharing with you and my all other Goan who are there abroad and they would like to do. Done. So see that there is no lump. Okay, done. So now this is sizzling hot and we will pour this in this. See that it is sufficient for all 12. Into the oven, 200 degrees and for 25 minutes. See how nicely it's rising. It is the Yorkshire pudding is getting nicely baked.
And here it is. It looks yummy. Yorkshire pudding ready to eat. And here it is, ready to serve. Yorkshire pudding with some broccoli and egg stir fry. And some mashed potato. Thank you.